Hello lovelies, welcome to Lois Kitchen. You know what, today after work I was so tired and I was also craving for jollof rice, so I decided to make the simplest and the fastest jollof rice and also to share it with you. So just grab a apron and let's get cooking. Special thanks to my new subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel and welcome to the family. And now our food is ready. Did you enjoy today's recipe? Will you give it a try? If so, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and also to share with a friend. Bye for now, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.